All right, checking out the Mikado 800. This is the new, and I opened this already, but I opened it, I'm like, I need to do a video on this because this stuff is huge. So hopefully this comes out. Manual. Let me see if I can get this a little bit better in the frame. All right, tail boom. It's like a pipe, really light too. Tail boom supports, I guess, are in there. I think tail push rod. I'm gonna be using a Neo. I got satellite set of 810 Rototech blades. Nice. I've got to the torque servos, which I may use. Got this is a 4530 500 kV Scorpion. I got a V-bar Neo, of course. Here's what they call the chassis. I wasn't really a big fan of the plastic, but I guess this is 4 pieces. And so this is my first one of these Mikados with the plastic frame. We'll see. That's what they call the chassis. Put that back in there. I also got a Cosmic 160. Alright, got Rototech tail blades, tail boom, skid, tail skid, some other goodies, tail stuff it looks like. Landing skids. Look at this gear. Main gear. Freaking huge, man. Look at the main shaft. I guess that's 15 millimeter. Tail blocks, one-way or sprag. Blade grips. Bearings. Yeah, this is rotor-head stuff. Oh, they give you servo arms. How about that? Cool. It's got a belt to the main drive gear, to the tail rotor drive, and I think it's a torque tube in there back. Got a battery tray, some straps, battery straps. It's I don't know, some more tail stuff maybe. This does not come with it. This is a 15 tooth, I think, or 14. Herringbone pinion. Had to buy that separate. Swash plate. And some kind of ground strap for something. Looks like this could be the motor plate. All right. I don't think there's anything in this box. This is where the electronics would be, I guess, if you got a combo. And here we got the canopy, assuming. Oh my goodness, look at the size of this. I can't even fit this in the frame. That's really nice. Man, that thing is huge. You can hardly fit it in the frame. Really nice. That's a huge canopy. Dang. I guess when this thing's built, it can be pretty big. And a blade holder. So that's it. Mikado 800 2022. Peace out.